The Ferrofish A32, a 32-channel AD-DA converter with ADAT and MADI, now has a big brother. The A32 Dante adds a 64-channel Dante interface to the I/O configuration. The addition of Dante to the Ferrofish converter makes it easy to integrate the built-in analog, ADAT, and MADI channels into an existing Dante network. The A32 Dante includes 32 channels in and 32 channels out for analog line level signals, 32 channels in and out in the ADAT optical format, 64 channels in and out on MADI optical and coaxial, and 64 channels in and out on Dante. The stunning feature set makes the A32 Dante a perfect solution for live, studio, broadcast, and installation applications. An internal patch-based style routing system is available, allowing you to patch any input signals to any outputs in banks of 8 channels. This means you can convert between digital formats, like changing MADI to Dante bidirectionally or merging 32 analog inputs and 32 ADAT inputs to the 64-channel Dante output. You can even distribute the same input signals to multiple destinations, so analog inputs can be sent to both MADI and Dante output simultaneously. The unit has internal memory with 7 slots where routing presets can be saved and recalled, allowing for easy switching between complex routing scenes. By connecting 2 units with Dante, you can create a 64-channel in and out system with any computer and a Dante virtual sound card. No audio interface hardware required. The Dante port can be easily switched to AES67 compatibility mode from the front panel. The A32 Dante features dual redundant, hot swappable external power supply inputs with an on-screen alert whenever one of the power supplies have failed. The MADI connections can also be set for redundancy via both optical and coaxial connections, with automatic switching when sync is lost. This makes the A32 Dante a reliable hub for digital and analog audio sources in live, broadcast, and install applications. Inside the unit, high-quality analog converters are paired with a sophisticated amplifier circuit for pristine capture and reproduction of analog signals at a variety of levels. Variable sensitivity for analog inputs and outputs make the unit perfect for digitizing different sources, such as analog synths or effects hardware, or bringing in wireless mics in broadcast applications. The 4 TFT displays on the front panel offer metering of all 64 analog channels, as well as a simple menu system for access to settings, presets, and options. The unit can be remotely controlled via MIDI sysx on physical MIDI cables or MIDI embedded in the MADI signal. The built-in headphone output gives you the possibility to mix and check any signal coming into the A32 Dante, both inputs and outputs on either analog, ADAT, MADI, or Dante. The Ferrofish A32 Dante is the perfect addition to any Dante network where affordable analog, ADAT, or MADI connections are needed. It will be perfectly at home on stage for playback of backing tracks, in the studio for digitizing analog gear or working with analog mixers, or in installation applications where multi-channel analog or digital audio is required throughout a facility.